Welcome back to my YouTube page. Today I got a couple little experiments I'm going to do. One involves boiling water and the other involves an optical illusion. Anyway, take a look at what I got going on. Okay, the first experiment I got going on here involves a cup of water. You can see there's a little bit of water in the bottom there. I've got it suspended. It's a paper cup. I've got it suspended across two glass mason jars with like a fork, and then below I have a flame. And if you notice, this flame is not burning this paper cup, and I find that to be interesting. Why is that happening? Why is this paper cup not burning? Now you can see it smoking at the top. See smoke starting to come out of there, and shortly this water that is in here is going to boil. But very interesting that you got this flame right up against paper and yet it's not burning. Well, let me tell you what's going on here. The heat is being transferred to the water. Like I say, you can see it smoking, but yet the paper is not burning. So eventually the water will boil, and that heat, like I said, is being transferred to the water, so the bottom of the paper actually is not getting hot enough to burn. Even though there's a flame right on it, it's simply not getting hot enough to burn. Okay, it's been about 5 more minutes. You can see it's still smoking. The flame's still going on this paper cup, and it's still not burning this paper cup. But like I said, eventually after all this water was to steam off, as you can see it's steaming off, the paper cup would burn. But that's just a pretty neat little thing you can try at home. Just kind of a little bit of science in motion here. You can see that the heat from the flame is being transferred from right through the paper to the water, and the paper simply is not getting hot enough to burn. So that's just kind of something neat that I wanted to show you today. Okay, my second little video here is I have just a couple of coffee sleeves, and I've undone them. And I've set them right here, and if you take a look at them, clearly the bottom one looks like it's larger than the front one. Okay, now let's switch it around. Now which one's larger? Clearly it looks like this one's larger. Let's switch it around again. Now this one looks larger. The reality is they're both the same size. This is an optical illusion that was discovered a long time ago by some guy. I can't remember his name right now. But anyway, if you're ever at the coffee shop and you want to make a little money, this is a pretty easy bet to make some money on. The bottom one always looks larger, when in fact they're just the same size. So, like I said, if you're out ever having coffee and you're wanting to make a little extra cash, just make this bet with somebody and you're sure to win. Thank you for watching my YouTube page, and if you're enjoying these videos, be sure to subscribe and like. Thank you.